Okay, let's get rid of this. Here is my editor. It's very zoomed up in my headset, so I'm not sure if you can see it, but I'm going to turn to the right here to kind of look at my inspector when I'm selecting things so that you can see what I'm seeing. But if you go over here, let's click the campfire. And with this campfire, I added a little box collider. I have the play audio script, and this is my I had a trigger attached to it, but I turned it off because I realized that one of the things that you wanted was a looping constant sound in the environment. So I have it on play on awake and in a loop, but I also have it set up that if I wanted to make it a trigger, it's already set up to do that as well. Now if we go to the watering well, this one is a triggered response. So if you go into the collider here, you're going to hear the sounds of a well, and you can see my play and my play stop here for the trigger. Got my audio script, the collider, and then the well water sound on a loop, and it's set to 3D. And then if we zoom out, I have this one here. And that's just for the background music, just the constant 2D sound. Play on awake and on loop, and it's set to 1 for, or 0, excuse me, for the spatial blend. And then over by these trees, I don't know how to get over there. Uh-oh. Let's see this one. This one? Nope. Okay, let me back up. It's this one, this big guy. And this one I have on a loop, but I also have the script to play audio for every few seconds. And I did it every 3 seconds because 5 was just, depending on the clip that you pick for the birds, it just was too much. I felt like I didn't hear it at all. So I put that on loop. So let's go to play, and hopefully this all works out great. All right. And here the fire pit over here to the left. That's the one that's on just a continuous loop attached to an object. We got our 2D background music going on right now. Over here by the well is where we have a trigger point sound. So when we get close enough, we should be able to hear some water well type noises. The music is still a tiny bit loud, but I'll fix that. Ooh, I feel like I'm gonna fall off right here. This cart is so slow. I need to adjust that too. I'm a little bit impatient. Let's go check out this fire pit. You can kind of hear it getting louder as we get closer to it. Let's go over here to this tree. This is where I put the bird noises. This is on the second script, so we might have to wait a second to hear it. You can just faintly hear him. This music is way too loud, and this bird clip is a little bit too soft for this. Oh. There it is. And that's my little soundscape.